Do you want to know the secrets to capturing a woman's thoughts and keeping her intrigued? In this video, we're diving deep into the wisdom of Miyamoto Musashi to reveal 8 powerful ways to make a lasting impression that she'll never forget. Step 1. Be genuine. There are a lot of people who hide who they really are, so being honest is a rare and strong trait. Being honest and true to yourself and others is what Musashi's philosophy tells us to do. Being real means not trying to be someone you're not, and people are drawn to people who are real. A woman can tell when a man is telling the truth. Real people don't need to put on a show to please other people because they are happy with who they are. Being honest in this way builds trust, which is the basis of all effective relationships. She needs to trust you so she knows you are who you say you are and can feel safe and secure with you. This feeling of safety keeps you in her mind because she doesn't have to guess what you're up to or wonder if you're hiding something. Musashi talked a lot about how important it is to know yourself, and this is a perfect example of that. Before you can be real, you need to know who you are. Of course, this means being aware of your weaknesses as well as your morals, wants, and strengths. It's not necessary to hide behind a front when you know these things about yourself. Instead, you are honest, which is a rare trait that makes you stand out. Being real sometimes means letting yourself be heard. Musashi thought that real strength comes from inside, not from how you look or how brave you are. Because of this strength, you can talk about your thoughts and feelings without worrying about what other people will think. Giving a woman a glimpse of your true self makes you feel close to her because she knows she's seeing the real you. This kind of bond is strong and stays with you. Being real means honoring her for what she is. Do not try to change her or make her into someone she is not. As Musashi taught, we should accept the way things are, and the same goes for people. When you accept her as she is, you show that you value her as a person, not just how she acts. This understanding makes a strong emotional connection, and she'll see you as someone who really gets her and cares about her. So, being real means having an honest and dependable life. Being honest with yourself and other people is important. For sure, she will remember how you stand out from the crowd when you have this trait. Being honest with her will stick in her mind because it's a rare and welcome quality in a world full of lies. Step 2. Show genuine interest. Being genuinely interested in a woman is one of the best ways to make her think about you all the time. This is more than just asking her about her day or what she likes to do for fun. You need to really connect with her, listen to her, and figure out what makes her tick. Musashi's lessons stress how important it is to observe and understand, which are 2 important parts of showing interest. When you genuinely care about a woman, you let her know that she is important to you. You are telling her that you care about what she thinks, feels, and does. Many people today are too busy and focused on themselves to really connect with others, so this kind of care is very rare. When you give her your full attention and really hear what she has to say, you build a strong emotional bond that keeps you in her mind. Musashi taught that if you want to understand your opponent, you need to pay close attention to them and figure out what drives them. The idea behind this may sound hostile, but it can be used in relationships as well. Basically, being genuinely interested in her means getting to know her goals, fears, dreams, and wants. By getting to know these things about her, you show that you care about her as a person, not just as a potential date. Listening is a very important part of showing that you are interested. There's more to it than just hearing what she says. You have to understand what she means. For this, you need to actively listen, which means you have to pay full attention to what she's saying and block out everything else. Think about the questions you ask to show that you are interested and paying attention. She feels like you care about her, and she will remember how you made her feel understood. Musashi also believed in the power of understanding, which is important for showing that you are interested in something. When you have empathy, you can put yourself in her shoes and see things from her point of view. This will help you connect with her more deeply because you will not only be listening to what she says, but also knowing how she feels. This kind of relationship is strong because it makes her feel seen and heard, and she will remember that for a long time after you talk. Aside from that, showing real attention means supporting her goals and dreams. Musashi stressed how important it was to be focused and determined on your way. As a positive force in her life, you push her to follow her dreams and help her along the way. It will stick in her mind that you care about her well-being because you'll remind her of times when you helped her grow and had faith in her. So asking questions isn't the only way to show that you're interested in a woman. It's about getting to know her better, listening to her, and really getting involved with her. In this way, you make an emotional bond that lasts. Your kindness will make her feel good about herself, and that will make her remember you for a long time. Step 3. Make her laugh. Making others laugh is a powerful way to connect with them, lower tensions, and create lasting memories. Musashi, known for his strict and serious nature, believed that balance was essential in life. He believed that the best way to live was to enjoy every moment, including being happy and laughing. In a relationship, making a woman laugh will make her think of you a lot, as it helps her remember how happy she was with you, which is strong. People feel good when they laugh, which naturally lowers their stress. Musashi also believed that people should have a reason in life, but also be able to change things as needed. Being funny allows you to be flexible in your conversation, breaking the ice, and making the conversation more fun, which leads to stronger relationships. Humor shows that you are real and personable, and being humble is beautiful because it shows that you are sure of yourself enough to be yourself without trying to show off. Laughter also brings people together, creating moments that are just for the two of you. Experience is the best way to learn and grow, and having the same experiences together, especially ones that make you laugh, makes the bond stronger over time. Emotionally intelligent individuals can make others laugh by understanding other people and your sense of humor, creating an intellectual and emotional link. Laughing spreads, making a woman want to be with you more and making you someone she wants in her life. By teaching lessons about balance, humility, and understanding, you can create happy links that keep you in her mind in a positive way. Step 4. Be thoughtful. Thoughtfulness is a crucial trait in relationships as it shows care, attentiveness, and attention to the little things that matter. Musashi's lessons emphasize the importance of being aware, attentive, and thoughtful in all aspects of life. Being kind to a woman shows her happiness and well-being, and small acts of kindness let her know you're thinking about her. Accuracy and attention to detail are also important in relationships, as they show that you care about her as a person. Being kind also means guessing what she needs, which can help you deal with other people. Knowing what she wants and giving it without asking shows that you understand her and are ready to go the extra mile to make her life better or easier. For example, if she expresses stress about a project, surprising her with something helpful, like a relaxed evening or a thoughtful gift, shows that you're paying attention and caring. Time is another important aspect of being thoughtful. To keep her thinking about you, you need to know when to give her space, when to help her, and when to surprise her with something nice. When you're thoughtful, you pay attention to the present and act in a way that shows you understand her feelings and wants. Consistency in the little things is also essential, as Musashi stressed the importance of discipline and consistency in order to reach control. To be thoughtful, you need to know her love language, which involves understanding the situation and the people involved. Giving her words of encouragement, acts of service, or quality time that show you care in a way that hits home will keep you in her mind because it shows that you understand her. Being thoughtful means taking into account her wants and boundaries, respecting the natural order of things and not trying to change what happens. By showing that you value her independence and care about how she feels, you build trust and safety, keeping you in her thoughts in a good way. So, being thoughtful in relationships shows that you pay attention to the little things, care about her wants, and value her as a person. The lessons taught by Musashi can help you be thoughtful all the time, making her feel that you care about her health and happiness. Step 5. Be consistent. Consistency is crucial in any relationship, as it makes people feel safe, trustworthy, and emotionally secure. Musashi's lessons on discipline and control emphasize the importance of consistency in achieving goals. Consistency means showing up when you say you will, which gives a woman a sense of security in her life. This dependability is appealing to her because it makes her feel safe. Maintaining your word is also important in a relationship as it builds trust and keeps her in her mind longer. Consistent practice, deep conversations, sharing experiences, and showing affection regularly strengthens the emotional connection, making her see you as someone who cares about and gets her. Staying cool and collected even when things go wrong is essential for emotional stability in partnerships. Dealing with problems, stress, or arguments in the same way shows that you are in charge of your feelings and can be a steady force in her life. This mental stability makes her feel safe and at ease, and she will remember that she can turn to you when things get tough. Being consistent in what you do shows that you care about the bond, as Musashi taught that trying too hard and not giving it your all will make you fail. This level of loyalty is uncommon and will stick with her as a sign of how committed and sincere you are. Being consistent helps keep the romance alive in a relationship by finding a balance between the fun of new adventures and the ease of routine. By planning new activities or surprising her with thoughtful gifts, you can keep the relationship lively and interesting, keeping her thinking about you and appreciating your efforts to keep in touch. So, being constant with a woman is a great way to gain her trust, make her feel safe, and connect deeply with her. It shows that you can be trusted, are emotionally stable, and care about the connection. By following Musashi's lessons on control, commitment, and balance, you can be present and involved with her all the time, making her see you as a steady and positive force in her life. Step 6. Challenge her intellectually. Mentally challenging a woman is crucial for maintaining a strong connection in relationships. Musashi's lessons emphasize the importance of keeping one's mind sharp and understanding the complexity of life. In a relationship, mentally challenging her can make you stand out by showing that you value her thoughts and ideas. Mentally challenging her encourages critical thinking and different perspectives on topics such as current events, philosophy, or your own views. These conversations lead to lively exchanges of ideas that keep the connection alive and interesting. By respecting her views and encouraging her to share them, you show that you see her as an equal player in the relationship and respect her mind as much as you value her heart. Psychological challenge helps people grow and change, as Musashi believed that real strength comes from knowing rather than being strong. Mentally challenging each other in a relationship helps both people grow and change. By introducing her to new ideas, books, or experiences, you broaden her views and create a deeper connection. Deep conversations about each other's values, views, and goals are essential for building intellectual and emotional connections. This makes her think of you when she is thinking about important things in her life. Challenged mentally shows that you believe in your own intelligence and respect her views. Being able to keep up in debates shows that you know what you're talking about and can think critically. Respecting each other's thoughts makes the bond between them strong and long-lasting. Intellectual challenge makes things interesting and lively in a relationship. Musashi believed that being flexible and willing to try new things is important. People in relationships are always looking for new things to talk about, read, or share. By keeping the intellectual side of the relationship interesting, she will always be thinking about what new idea or insight you could bring to her life. So, mentally challenging a woman is a great way to keep her thinking about you, showing that you care about her thoughts, respect her views, and want to grow together. By following Musashi's lessons on learning, understanding, and flexibility, you can build an intellectually stimulating relationship with her that makes you stand out and makes her think of you as someone who truly makes her life better. Step 7. Show your passion. Passion is a powerful force that drives ambition, creativity, and greatness. Musashi's life exemplifies the importance of passion in achieving mastery in various aspects of life. Passionate individuals are more likely to be interested in their work, hobbies, or life in general, making them more interesting and memorable. Musashi believed that to be a true master at something, one must love it and work hard at it. By sharing what drives you, you can make your relationship more interesting and memorable. This type of life shows that you have a reason for living, which is important for finding happiness and meaning. A woman who sees you excited about your goals and working hard to reach them will think of you as eager and determined, attractive traits. A relationship with passion also brings energy and joy. Musashi believed that people should live their lives with purpose and intensity. When passionate about something, you put life and energy into everything you do, making the relationship interesting. The energy in your voice and the sparkle in your eyes will draw her in, whether discussing your latest project, a book you care about, or a cause you're working on. Being passionate about something makes you stand out from others, as you are living your life, and not just going through the motions. This unique interaction shows that you have depth and substance, which are traits that stick with people. Passion also leads to creativity and new ideas. In battle, Musashi was a master of planning and creativity, which can lead to new and exciting experiences in the relationship. Having passion means living your life to the best, enjoying every moment, and not holding grudges. When you're excited about something, you give it your full attention and are fully involved in it. This is strong and beautiful because it means you're not holding back and are fully living and enjoying all the beauty and intensity of life. So, if you want a woman to keep thinking about you, show her your passion. This will make the connection more lively and interesting, and make you stand out as someone who is truly excited about life. Step 8. Give her space. Giving someone space is crucial in a relationship, as it allows them to grow, think about themselves, and form their personalities. Musashi's teachings emphasize the importance of balance, discipline, and knowing how life works naturally. By giving a woman space, you show respect for her independence, trust her, and understand the importance of a partnership. This respect will keep her thinking of you in a positive way for a long time. Giving her space means allowing her to do the things she wants without feeling overwhelmed or pushed. Being alone and self-disciplined are important, and Musashi believed that being alone and being self-disciplined is essential. In a relationship, giving her space allows her to work on her own health and growth, fostering trust and a strong connection. Giving her space also shows that you feel safe in the relationship. Musashi believed that being sure of yourself enough to give her the space she needs without worrying or feeling unsafe is essential for a strong relationship. Being sure of yourself makes her feel good, as it shows that you trust her and your relationship is strong. Giving her space also shows that you respect her need to be alone. Musashi believed that being independent and able to do things on your own is important for a healthy relationship. Showing that you understand her wants and respect her boundaries is a powerful way to stay in her mind. Giving her space also helps her grow as a person, which is important for a healthy relationship. Musashi stressed the importance of keeping improving yourself, and both you and her can grow as people when you give her space. This mix of being together and being alone keeps the relationship strong and alive, making you appear well-rounded, independent, and respectful of her style. Ultimately, giving a woman space is the best way to keep her thinking of you in the end. By following Musashi's lessons on balance, self-discipline, and freedom, you can give her the space she needs while maintaining a strong and healthy relationship.